can be your sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till your teeth rot. Candy, she's so sweet, but you know that it ain't real cherry. Know that it ain't real cherry. She's just like candy, and she's so sweet, but you know that it ain't real. Know that it ain't real. She's just like candy.
Hey guys, AlAiNNA here, back with another video. Today I'll be showing you all my tripod that I just bought from Walmart. I saw two of them. One was, I believe, like $14, and it was a 55 inch. The one I got is a 66 inch, and it looks so yeah, it's a camera mount, GoPro mount, and smartphone mount. So yeah, I paid $29.96 for this. Yeah, let's open it up. I'm excited for this because I have my sister and my nieces help shoot my videos, and this way I won't need anyone like when I do my try on hauls. Yeah, so it comes in this bag. This is the stand. And these little parts came for the phone and the camera. Let's see. I'm trying to hook it up without instructions. I know you can make it longer. That's what these locks are for. I watched another video with these. And you pull this to make it longer and it stands tall. Push it back in and lock it back. I'm not even reading directions, the instructions. Maybe I should. So wait. Hold on, yeah. Let me try to get this together. Okay, y'all. I think I got it. I don't know, but I put my old phone on it. It's not sturdy, meaning I have to really go in and read the directions. But this is what I can use now to record. And like I said, you can make it taller. But yeah, I'm excited. Like I said, these it don't have to stay this short. You can unlock these legs, unlock them, and stand up. Like I said, it's 66 inches. So yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to use it. And that's the 56-inch tripod by Onn, ONN. Yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to use it and like really hook it up. Right? I was trying to do something real quick, but I'm gonna mess with it a little bit, and you will be seeing future videos with me using this. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.